Good morning students. Today we will continue chapter number 4 in maths and today's topic is least common multiple or lowest common multiple, that is also known as LCM. We will start exercise 4D. Question number 1. Find LCM of. There are three methods to find LCM. First one is by finding common multiples. Second one is by prime factorization method, and third one is by division method. So we will do this one by division method because division method is more convenient. So what we will do, first of all, write down these numbers in this way: 48, 64, 72, 96. Now start from the lowest factor. Start from 2. On dividing 48 by 2, we get 24. On dividing 64 by 2, we get 32. On dividing 72 by 2, we get 36. Similarly, on dividing 96 by 2, we get 40. Again by 2, because these are even numbers. Divide by 2. Here 12. Here 16. On dividing 36 by 2, we will get 18. On dividing 48 by 2, we will get 24. Next step, again these are even numbers. Divide by 2. Here 6. On dividing 16, we will get 8. On dividing 18, we will get 9. On dividing 24, we will get 12. Again divide by 2 because even numbers. On dividing by 2, it will be 3. Here 4, 9, 6. It will be noted down as it is. Next, dividing by 2, it will be 3, it will be 2, it will be 9, and here 3. Next step, I write down here. Next step is here. 3, 2, 9, 3. On dividing by 2, 3, 1, 9, 3. Now divide these numbers by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. It is already 1, so note down as it is. 9 divided by 3, 3. And 3 divided by 3, 1. Again by 3, 1. Note down as it is. It is 1. Here 3 divided by 3, 1. And it is 1. Now we can write LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 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 3 multiplied by 3 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 3 multiplied by 3. Now we will do multiplication. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, 32. 32 multiplied by 2, 64. 64 multiplied by 3, we can do here. 64 multiplied by 3, 192, and 192 multiplied by 3, we can do here. 576. So we can write LCM of 48, 64, 72 and 96 equals to 576. This is the answer. Now we will do one most important property of HCF and LCM. And what is the property? According to this property, product of two numbers equals to their SCF of numbers multiplied by, or we can write product of two numbers equals to product of their HCF and LCM. What is the meaning of product? Meaning of product means multiply. So we can write first number multiply by second number equals to HCF multiply LCM. This is important property. Now we will do question of exercise 4D. Let us do question number 3rd. Exercise 4D. Question number 3rd. Question is, the product of two numbers is the product of two numbers is 2160. If HCF is 12, if HCF is 12, find their LCM. Now we will use this property. As we know, product of two numbers equal to product of their HCF and LCM. And here product is already given. First of all, we will write formula. Product of two numbers equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. Product is given. Value of product is 2160. So we will put 2160 here equals to HCF. HCF is 12. So in place of HCF we can write 12 multiplied by LCM, and we have to find LCM, so note down it as it is. Now for finding the LCM, we transfer this to other side. It will be 2160 upon here 12 multiplied by LCM. So when it transfer to the next side it will be in division equals to LCM. Now we can divide it like actual division. 12 ones are 12 minus 9, 12 8, 96. Now this, note down this 0 and put here also 0 because it is not divisible. LCM is what? 180. So we can write LCM equals to 180. So with the help of this property, first number multiplied by second number equals to HCF into LCM. We have three values, then we can find the fourth value. Suppose in a question we have HCF is given, LCM is given, second number is given. We have to find the first number. In the same process, we can put the values and find the value of fourth term, which is not given. So students, with the help of these examples and this formula, all of you can solve the questions of exercise 4D. Thank you, class.